All right, everybody,
Yes.
good evening. This is Bill Noble, and this is your market update. Time to wake up. Can a rally sneak up on people? Yes, it's happening as we speak. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin. Not much to look at, right? Well, maybe not. They tried to press it towards 32K. A lot of my Gann work shows that 32K is really decent support. This chart shows that Bitcoin really should attack the top of the previous fourth wave at 42K rather. 36K should be the minimum. I think Synthetix, audio, and a lot of other symbols are showing you what happens when supply dries up. In other words, when the last seller has sold to the guys with diamond hands, what happens when the next buyer comes in? The answer is stuff goes up 5, 10, 20%. Okay, MicroStrategy, a good leading indicator of Bitcoin, is going to be at a really important level Monday morning around 6:35. If MicroStrategy, if the equity market is stable, MicroStrategy can stay above 635. It could move to 900, and I would assume that that goes along with a big move up in Bitcoin. Coinbase's stock, Coin, is also forming a base. So for live stream listeners, the bigger the base, the higher into space. Coinbase's stock has been hanging around here since mid-May, 2 months of sideways action. I think if Coinbase's stock takes out 255, it can go much higher. Okay, ETH, a pretty simple approach to TA. This is the second time that they have tried to press ETH down below 2,100 or 2,000, that zone. Now, the last time they tried to push it down below 2140, it failed, and it actually managed to do some good work on the upside up to 2,400. In this particular case, you look in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a yellow rectangle showing how many times, how often they've been trying to push ETH down. They push it, and it's not breaking. So if they're trying to break it down, you're selling your ETH to somebody with diamond hands. And then it turns around and starts moving up, led by DeFi coins like, ta-da, Synthetix. Okay, we've been pounding the table on this. Single-digit Synthetix, like single-digit sushi, like single-digit everything, is laughable. Okay, Synthetix is up a lot. It's up a lot today, but I don't see any resistance until 15. Keep in mind, this coin was at 28. Also keep in mind that the future of derivatives and Wall Street is on the blockchain. Yeah, I know. I sound like a broken record. Yeah, I know. I said it all the way down. Yeah, I know. I'm not going to stop saying it. Okay? The future of Wall Street is on the blockchain, and that trade in Synthetix has started. Okay? DeFi perp. Okay? DeFi is just getting going. Synthetix compound leading the way, but the DeFi perp futures contract, in order to get to major resistance, in order to get to its previous fourth wave, in other words, the point where we test whether or not the uptrend is shifting, okay, that level is 2315. DeFi perp is at 1641. Okay, so, you can have something like a 20 or 30% rally in DeFi and not even be like at resistance. So there's just so much room to move higher. Okay, audio was pounding the table on this. We released to our customers Altcoin Quarterly, where we featured this coin when it was down at 60 cents and no one wanted it. The previous fourth wave or minimum upside target, perhaps, is $1.36. So once audio starts trading like Synthetix, I think this behavior is just going to breed itself, meaning once you start to see things gap up, they're going to continue to gap up. Why? The supply's gone. The supply's gone. Everybody puked out their crypto to people who aren't selling it back to you. So when you go to buy, who's there to sell? Nobody. Nobody. And that's why prices rise the way they do, because buyers have to bid it up until somebody's willing to sell. Okay, NFTs. Frequently on the stream and Token Metrics TV, I've been telling people not to give up on NFTs. headed into the American football season in August, where athletes and games will be back in packed stadiums. Now, I know every NFT play is not about sports, but I don't understand why everyone gave up on NFTs. Here's an example. At Bitcoin Miami, we ran into a group of people doing NFTs the movie. So it was me and the Token Metrics TV crew. We interviewed the group doing a movie that's going to be on Netflix about NFTs. And it was the lowest rated show of anything we did in Miami. Everyone gave up on NFTs. So, of course, the thing that everyone gives up on, okay, AXS is probably the best symbol. Somebody showed me this at 11, and I didn't really pay attention, and now it's at 18. So it can go as high as 22 or 29. The bottom line is don't give up on NFTs. Rarible, possibly doing a sideways breakout, a very low cap NFT play, could go as high as 14. Okay, Flow is at resistance at Flow is at resistance at $19.87, but look where it came from. It bottomed at 6. Again, does this look like a dead space to you? No. There are going to be opportunities in the NFT space. Okay, CHZ, same thing, a break above 27 cents, and this can get going again. Keep in mind where these things came from. It came from 80 cents at the top. Small cap DeFi play, Monte Carlo DEX, MCB. We talked about this. It continues to move higher. We talked about it at 14. It's now at 20. It could go as high as 32. All right, now, I always like to keep things balanced. Obviously, we're a pro-crypto group, and the charts seem bullish on crypto. If equities stay where they are, okay, so equities went down, and then there was a reversal trade. Sometimes that can be a little dangerous at the top, but if equities stay stable, okay, it can be very, very good for crypto, right? Equities are in a little bit of a weird space, so if they can hang in there, it's very bullish for crypto. Now, later on, we're going to discuss what happens when crypto companies go public. In my opinion, when you see a big crypto company go public, the day it goes public, that's when you want to take a look at your Token Metrics TV shows about risk hedging using options. It's my opinion, and I worked on this with somebody who I respect, that when a crypto company goes public, it's temporarily bearish for crypto because people switch from crypto into the stocks themselves. However, again, that is a dip buying opportunity. So let's sum it up. Can this market sneak up on people and go up a lot? Yes. Can it go up more than people think? Yes. Should you buy on red? Yes. Okay. Should you learn lessons from Synthetix and audio about what happens when supply dries up and people start coming after things? Yes. And that's the market update, folks. We'll see you next time.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.